Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. Today I have with me the Xiaomi Mijia portable juice blender. At first this might look like a normal regular water bottle, but when you open it, you can actually see two sharp small steel blades here. It has a capacity of 300 ml and a power of 45 watt. This is one of my favorite tech devices which I use almost every day for the past few months. The best part is it has Type C port for charging. You can carry it anywhere and charge it with your power bank. I'll show you a demo to let you know how this works. Okay, I filled this juicer bottle with pomegranate. I also added some water. Now I just have to double click the top button to start. You can blend it once or twice to get the proper result. For a single full charge, I think you can do this 10 times completely, I guess. The material is plastic here. The last model had glass material, but plastic is good enough when you travel. It is easy to hold and carry anywhere. I think it will take some seconds for this to complete. I'll fast forward the video if it takes more time. Okay, it's complete now. As you can see, it managed to do the job here. You can blend it once or twice to get your required result. This is a wonderful device and is secure as well. For example, the blades won't function if it is not closed. You have to close it for the blades to operate. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that it might not work properly with hard fruits like apple or coconut, for example. But apart from that, you can use grapes, watermelon, strawberry, papaya, like that. You can even add ice cubes to this. That's all. I'll share a link in the description. You can check it for seeing all the features. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.